Top 2 reasons why motorhomes are the wave of the future. Did you know that motorhomes have been gaining rapidly in popularity over the last few years? It's true. If you've driven on the freeways recently, you might have noticed that there are an awful lot of people taking to the roads of America in their new homes on wheels, motorhomes. This country is huge, and so are the number of attractions that you could see in a motorhome. Motorhomes have always been popular among the more mobile of our population, but recent models have shown that manufacturers have been producing incredible automotive works of art. Here's the 2 reasons why motorhomes are the wave of the future. 1. Retirement. There is a huge amount of the US population that is considering retiring in the next few years. Baby boomers have worked all their lives and have been spending their money like there is no tomorrow on all sorts of travel accessories. Motorhomes are no exception. One of the biggest things that all retirees want to do after they finish work is travel. Motorhomes provide future domestic travelers with lots of transportation options. Seeing the country, or even the world, in style is possible with a motorhome. 2. Cheap mobility. Let's be honest here, gas prices are expensive. They've been expensive and probably will remain so for a long time. However, 2 or more people traveling in a motorhome can see a lot of things for relatively little money. Imagine how much money it would cost you in airplane tickets to fly to each destination individually. A lot more than the gas it costs to navigate from city to city. A tank of gas, financially, doesn't go as far as it used to, but it certainly isn't that bad considering all the place it can take you. There is a lot more to motorhomes than just what's been covered here. In fact, there is a ton more of material available out there about motorhomes. Get informed before deciding to invest in a motorhome. Click link below for more information. Also, if this content was helpful to you, please, give us a like and don't forget to share and subscribe.